everybody, and welcome to the channel where today we're going to take a look at my Bible, the Bible in 52 weeks. We're working on some of the blank pages today, and I'd already made one pocket, and I thought, why not come on and show you what I've done. Now, I did put these prayer cards in what I've done so far because I put the other ones away and I don't know where they're at, but I'm going to bring them all out. They're all going to be in here. We're not, and I'll mix and match them as soon as I find them. But here's what we got so far. And these, I felt like, would be perfect for the index cards. And we'll dress those up a little. I wish they would fit in this way, but they're just, well, you know what? I could cut them down. Or get regular. I like these because they stick up above the pockets. I'll show you what I mean. I had some over here. You guys know what I'm talking about. The regular 3.5 by, really 3.5 by 4.5. The ones that are smaller than these. They fit in here really nice, I think. And they're also different colors, so I'll probably bring those out. And then I'll just put a little whale tail tab, but I like it that these stick up, right? And you can write on them. So I may flip it over. Add some decorative paper to it, right? Just add something like this to it. Glue it to the back. Put a whale tail tab on there. Maybe some lace like Miss Etta did, because this is a Miss Etta inspired journal. She got me going. She got me going. She got me not only inspired by journaling, but just by her love for Christ and her salvation and her story. If you guys have not watched her channel, go over and watch her and you'll understand what I mean. She's loving and generous and everything Christ wants us to be. That is Miss Etta. So hop on over there and I'll put a link to her channel in the description box. And I'm actually Miss Etta. If you're watching, I'm still putting together your box, your goodies. And then later today, I'm going to be dragging out the goodies you gave me so I could start putting some of it in here. I know there's going to be something I can find for our Bible journal. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get these glued down. We'll embellish these, but I'll show you what I got done today. So today I did this pocket with, and it was one 12 by 12 piece of paper. I basically folded it in, right? And then I flipped the bottom part up to make this pocket. And then this part flips down and you can put whatever you want in here. So let's say you're praying for people, right? You've got a prayer chain. Your prayer chain prayers can all go in here. Just like so. And again, we'll put whale tail tabs on them because they need to stick up just slightly. Actually, maybe I'll just cut this piece down. That's what I'll do. I'll just cut this down and fold it in. Yeah, we'll do that. Then I don't have to do anything fancy, right? We'll just do that. So here's a quick fix. Quick fix. We are just going to snip. And snip. And fold. Here we go. Fold for me. Fold for me. There we go. See? Easy peasy. Got an angle, but it's okay. Kind of looks cool like that now. Oh, that one got lost. That one goes in last anyhow. So here's our prayer cards. And we're just going to slide those in. Just like that. So now you can see them. And we'll put today's prayer. And that'll hold that closed. Yes, indeed. Aha, we're getting there. Oh, and that made it nice and heavy. Then we'll glue this pocket. And then on this pocket, I had been gifted this whole bag of die cuts from Miss Loopy over on the Facebook group, Decorate Your Life Facebook group. She gifted me a whole bag of die cuts. So I utilized that one. I just thought, this is appropriate because our walk with Christ and our surrender of our sins and our sinner's prayer and salvation is an eternal gift. And it's I can't even express the joy in my heart to know that I'll only have one earthly death, and then I go to be with Jesus. So there we go. That's so far. And then again, I think what I'll do is I'll get my smaller colored index cards to go in here, and those will have a little blurb from the book. And remember that the book lives in the center of the journal right here. So I put stuff in places, guys. I'm right now in the process of remodeling not remodeling, but rearranging my craft room, and never again, okay, never again will I do the move out, move in remodel, because it feels like it's taken me, honestly, a year to get it done, and I'm not joking. I think I wanted to add some of this. Would be good. Look at this. Oh yeah, that would be good for this one. And this pocket would be good for this one. I'm not going to use those stickers. This is from that kit I got when I went to El Paso, Texas. That one would be good. I was going to make just a regular butterfly journal with this, so maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll stick to my guns here and say, no, we're going to do what we said we were going to do and nothing more. All right. Well, I'll find those other prayer cards and those other index cards, and I'll keep working. So anyhow, the book lives here, and then I'm going to put an elastic closure on it, I think, so that it can grow with us. And then once it's completed, I'll start the 52 weeks of the Bible, and we'll keep working in it. I had this, and I wondered if I should use this as my closure, right? I could. I don't know, guys. I'm still pondering, because when this gets done, it's going to be huge. So maybe I'll put a button here and a button here. I know it won't be that big. I think I'm going to wait till it's done for that closure, because like I said, it's going to be, I think I'm going to be best off just by putting the elastic around it. Yeah, we'll just do the elastic when and if we ever get it done. All right, so I've got that, and then I thought this would make a really nice belly band for this page. That knocks back some of that brightness as well. Just deciding which one. That one would be best this direction. That's not bad. That's not bad. That one would also be best this direction. And that's not bad. So I'm kind of tossed between this one and this little guy. And somehow my heart keeps coming back to this one. Does it go that way or this way? No, that's a heart. It should go that way. What's this way? Well, guys, I think this one wins. Yeah. So we're gonna, and it's 2 pieces. So we're gonna glue here, here, and here. And I feel like this probably will hold those index cards as well. If we put them this direction. Perfect. Look at that. Oh yeah, what do you think? What do you think? I'm liking it. And then of course we glue this one. We have that one. We'll glue this one. And I really think I'm going to put some bright lace on here. And just going to dress it up beautiful. And I'm wondering if I want to do... I think I want another pockets here. Like a pocket here, maybe a pocket here. Or one pocket here. And I'll stencil something on there. Or glue something on there. We'll see. Or could I do something... Let's do something like a flip. I'm thinking we could do... I gotta find those other prayer cards though, because I would want one from each set. One here, and one there. Ooh, I could do actually 4, but I think I like the 3. Bring it down, bring it down. So we'll do like that. And then those will be flips. But I have to find my other prayer cards, guys. All right, so I think that's where we're going to end it, and I'll locate my other prayer cards. And when we pick up back next week, we will look at this page. But so far, and I see if you close it, you can see how quickly that's going to bulk up. Like when it's done, it's going to be a big girl. I really like this idea. Maybe I'll put 4. We'll put 2 of the same on the top and bottom, and then 2 different ones in the middle. Yeah, that's how we'll do it. But I'm off to find my other prayer cards, guys. Thank you. Thank you, millions and bunches for being a part of our little journaling spot here. And know that you're appreciated. And I hope that you will hop over to Miss Etta's channel and get a look at how she journals and see if you're not inspired to make something like this. Let me know. All right, guys, I'll see you in our next adventure. Bye bye. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.